Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a monthly read for Pisces Sun, Moon and Rising. Let's start and see what are the messages for Pisces people in the month of July. Since this is a general read, so more precise message you should see your moon sign and rising sign videos as well. So I have Strength, King of Pentacles, Page of Wands, Empress, Seven of Cups, Chariot. Chariot's number is also 7. 10 of Wands, I have Fool, then 10 of Pentacles and 4 of Swords. I have bottom of the deck 3 of Cups. Okay, so clearly there is a situation where someone is simply trying to hold on to some extent, but I feel this situation has been created due to a third party. In the past there is someone who is there, who is not letting you stay in this family dynamics, and situation is simply turning into a mess. With 10 of Pentacles and 10 of Wands, I can tell you that the situation is going to be wrap up very soon, because the person who is mainly over here, it's really hard for them to bear the whole thing. They're really putting a lot of effort to manage all the things, to manage all the situations, but I really feel that they are not clear in their head. They are not sure what they should do, and I feel this situation is still not being resolved due to the money issue. This is some sort of family dynamics which I can see over here, and due to this third party, I feel this family will be split apart. The other person, which since this reading is for Pisces, so I will consider it as a Pisces. So the Pisces is the one who is trying to leave the situation, who is trying to leave everyone behind, and for that purpose they are trying to establish themselves financially. And I feel in the month of July they are going to be able to get to some point, though their pace is slow, but still they are moving towards a life changing scenario, or they might be getting a life changing offer from someone else. This doesn't mean that they are getting some romantic offer from some other person. This is also possible that they have chosen for themselves some occupation or some project or some job or some sort of career, and that will though this is very slow energy, but that decision will take them to this life altering situation. And the difficulty over here for Pisces people is to become financially strong and financially stable in this whole scenario. I really feel that situation is becoming too difficult to handle for the Pisces people, and now they are totally focused on planning. They are totally focused on achieving what they want to achieve. For that purpose they are working single-mindedly, but I feel that end of July or early part of next month they will be ready to take the leap of faith. They will be ready to take this jump, as I have the Fool card over here. Their movement is slow, but their movement is grounded, and whatever steps they are taking, it will lead them towards success. Okay, so this was the situation. Meanwhile, I can see Three of Cups, which also shows me that the situation is at this point due to some sort of third party situation. There are someone who came in between the family, and the family is going to split apart now. Okay ji, so this was the reading for Pisces for the month of July. I cannot comment much on this because things are very straightforward and clear. Whatever confusion Pisces people have right now, whatever fogginess, whatever disturbance, whatever not so sure feeling about the situation right now, it's because of their financial situation. They are not stable enough financially. That is why they are putting a lot of effort. They are really putting too much effort to become someone who is financially stable and secure. And I feel that now this is the right time for them to work fast. I feel there is a possibility of getting lot of jobs or whatever project they are doing. They must be going to, they're going to have a good opportunity in the month of July as well. Okay, so what else do I have over here for them? See, as I have mentioned, that the situation has been created because there is a third party. This is a couple who is not looking to each other, because there is this card which is totally typically cheating card. One of them has been cheated, and now the Pisces person is just trying to leave the situation as soon as possible for them. Okay, I hope this reading will resonate with you. I will see you next time with the next reading. Don't forget to give me feedback on this. Take care. Bye.